Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this Why Choosers section in your website with just one click. You just need to copy it from here and just paste it on your desired destination. There's only one requirement, and that is you have to have installed Ultimate Blocks plugin in your system. I think you know how to install a plugin. In your dashboard, just go to plugin and go to add new plugin, and from there search for Ultimate Blocks and install and activate the Ultimate Blocks from there. And along with more free patterns to use this specific pattern, you have to have Ultimate Blocks Pro. And no worries about Pro. If you want to change your mind within first 14 days, you can do it and claim a money back. Okay, now let's copy this pattern and paste it on our desired poster page. So to copy this pattern, you have to land in this specific page, and no worries about that. I'm gonna paste the link in the description. After landing here in this page, here is your pattern, and just click on here to copy pattern. And that's all, you are all set. Just go to your specific poster page. Here is a blank post, and I'm just pasting it by pressing Ctrl or Command V. And here it is. You can change anything, like you can change icon. See, here's the icons you can choose. You can change any icon from here, and also you can change the text as well, like calendar. And not just text and icons, you can also change the background. Just go here and select the background from here and just change it. So yeah, this is it. With just one click, you can copy any kind of pattern from our pattern library and paste it immediately on your desired poster page. So that's all for today. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. And if you have any plugin idea in your mind, please let us know so that we can make it for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.